Hi guys, it's me Vidya from popexo.com and I'm here to talk to you about one of the most important parts of our daily skincare routine. The one that we've all been guilty of skipping at some point or the other. So if you also find removing your makeup a pain, here's the right way to do it in a few simple steps. You'll need cotton pads, cleanser, jojoba oil, moisturizer and some warm water. Pull your hair back. If you tie your hair into a ponytail first, you'll expose your entire face and hairline. Since a lot of makeup builds up around your hairline, and if left unwashed, it can cause ugly blemishes along your temples. Take extra care around the eyes. Some makeup removers can be too harsh on your sensitive skin, especially around the eyes. Instead, use a natural oil. Jojoba oil is perfect. It's super hydrating while still being gentle enough for the delicate eye area. Don't use too much product. Keep the amount of remover, moisturizer, or essential oil you're using on your makeup removal pads to a minimum. It'll be just as effective even if it is not doused in it. So I know guys, it looks like I have two big black patches on my face, but hey, that's how it is without makeup. And now for the lips. Dark lipsticks. As much as we love those classic reds and deep maroon lipsticks, they're quite a pain to take off. One simple trick is to dab some Vaseline onto your pucker and leave it on for a few minutes. Then, take a warm washcloth and gently wipe it off. Your dark lipstick will come off easily too. And now I'll remove the rest of my makeup using the same jojoba oil. And this works best if we clean using upward strokes. Cleansing. A great tip to cleanse well is to first dampen the cotton pad with warm water. To begin with, we must start by softly massaging the eyes and then moving in an upward direction from the nose to the cheek. Gradually clean your chin using the same upward motion. And then, with gentle strokes, clean the neck, the forehead, and don't forget to clean around the ears. Now, moisturize. Start by putting the moisturizer on the 7 magic spots and then massage in a circular motion. You can also switch to the upward direction in some places. If you want to moisturize deep, then you could also do the scissor movement. And now, gently tap all over the face. This increases blood circulation and helps the moisturizer to set in. If this video helped you even a little bit, please do let us know through your comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such exciting videos. See you later, and until then, stay beautiful with PopXO.